Hello drone lovers, my name is KM and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to repair my Mark IV which crashed after this flight, which you can see. You tell me, how can this be possible? Okay, 3 props are still there. 1 prop is missing, but the nut is still there. But the nut, of course, is loose because the prop is not there anymore. But how did the prop go missing? It just, suddenly I tried to throttle up, it just couldn't go up. And then it starts spinning. This is very weird. Okay, from this flight, when I powered it on, Moto 3 to Betaflight, Moto 3 wasn't turning. So because I have already swapped 180 degrees of this ESC, this motor that doesn't turn is actually Moto 2 to ESC. So I have removed the wire of Moto 2 based on the diagram here from iFlight Success D F7. Okay, and this is the M2 wire. I'm going to solder it. Okay, I come closer. Okay, so I remove the M2 wire from the plug that goes into the FC. Okay, you can see it from the iFlight diagram, the iFlight Success D F7 diagram. And remove the wire M2, and I'm going to solder it onto this pad here that says M6. Okay, because M5, 6, 7, 8, I will equate them to 1, 2, 3, 4. So M5, M6, I'm going to take M6. Actually, I can solder on any pad, M5 to 8. I chose 6 to be soldered on. Okay, hopefully it is the fault of this. I've already checked and ensured that it is not the fault of the ESC by using another wire, which is from the connector here, which is M1, and I take the white wire and I connected it to the slot which this grey wire was connected previously. So that is M1, this one, and I run Betaflight on going to the motors tab, and I was able to turn this motor. So that shows that the ESC is working. So what was wrong is actually in the FC itself. That particular pad that controls the motor is malfunction. So I'm going to change the M2. I'm going to swap this wire to be coming out from M6 instead. Okay, after I have soldered the M2 wire into M6, I'm going to go to my original CLI dump before I turn the ESC around and take note where Moto 6 is and what is the pin of Moto 6. Okay, based on my CLI dump, my Moto 6 is B07. Okay. So what I need to do is to remap my Moto 3, which is recognized by Betaflight. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to reassign the resource of Moto 3 under Betaflight to B07. So I'm going to CLI command. I'm going to type in resource Moto 3 Moto space 3 space B07, enter. Okay, once you've done that, just do a resource to list everything back again, just to check. Okay, and you can see that Moto 3 now is B07. Remember to type save. Okay, Okay, reconnect. Now I go to Motors tab, get a battery, okay, and then I plug it in. Okay, done. All the motors are now black and showing the RPM filters. Turn on the I understand the risk and make sure there's no obstruction to the motors, okay, including my camera. And then I'm going to increase the sliders of Moto 3. Yes, Moto 3 is now spinning. Let's check the rest. Moto 4, yes. Moto 2 and Moto 1. Okay, all 4 motors are now working. So this craft is considered as repaired. Now is to put them back together again and do a simple harbor test. Anyway, just to save time, why not just straight away arm my quad and see if the motor turns the right way. It should be out props. Okay, so I have switched on the radio. Okay, let me set it to this model. Mark 4 long range. Okay, plug in. Okay, arm. Yes, all 4 motors are turning. Out, 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 out. Okay, a bit of throttle up. Okay. Okay, let's see if it feels safe.
Receiver still connected.
Power off my radio. Okay. Feels safe. watching my video. I hope you like this short video to show how I repair my Mark IV. Simple repair, and it was a good thing, and that the failure was due to just one of the motor pads that's controlling the ESC, and the ESC is not the one that's damaged. Anyway, this is a good ESC. This is the iFlight 60M ESC, so I mean the chances of it failing will be much less, just due to a fall. It was just due to that fall when the propeller broke, and then the whole quad just went out and tumbled down from the sky. Well, anyway, hope you can subscribe and like this channel, and also share it with your friends. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.